One pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many. Now, avid watchers of the channel will know I love my Ninja Foodi, do all sorts in it. I'm about to do a film doing a macaroni cheese. However, I just thought I'd do you a little quick video on 3 things that really annoy me about the Ninja Foodi that I think Ninja could fix fairly easily. Now, don't get me wrong, the things you can do with this I think far outweigh the negatives. However, if Ninja are thinking of maybe producing a version 2 of the Ninja Max, which I'm guessing they will, there's a few things I think they could improve upon. Now, the first one, number 1 of my pet hates with this machine is the lid. I mean, it's great. Pressure cook lid on. This thing just gets in the way. And I don't know about you, storing. So I store it with that one down and this one resting on the top. It's not ideal. If that knocks off, they're not cheap to buy. So I think I've come up with a solution. Well, I've not. The DIY sector has. Let's pretend this lid is my drill. Okay? Just like the lid, drill comes down, closes, opens. This bit here, you could have a union that slides on, so clip the lid on and that whole bit would then turn and lift up. When you're done with that lid, release it, you can store that lid away. Easy. Let me know what you think about that little idea. I mean, I really do think Ninja need to think of this, because there's a lot of people that don't really like this setup but love the Ninja Foodi Max, and that's why they've got one. Next, number 2 of my pet hates. Again, we're sticking with the lid, and it's the Airfry or grilling lid. It's a nightmare to clean. If you've got one of these, let me know what you use to clean yours. I'm going to be doing a video coming up soon on how to take this apart and how I clean this. So it's got security Allen keys in the lid, so you can't take the grill off. Ninja also say if you do take that off, it voids any warranty. Now, I think food safety outweighs warranty. Whether Ninja think that or not, I don't know. So I'm gonna order the bits to take this apart, and we'll have a go at cleaning it properly. Okay, then number 3 of my pet hates for the Ninja Foodi is the bowl itself. I'm fairly careful. I use rubber utensils just like Ninja say. However, when it says use your dual purpose rack for a dish, these don't have rubber edges, and as you can see, it's fairly marked in the bottom of my pot. This is 6 months old, this Ninja Foodi. I do use it regularly, at least 3-4 times a week for various things. However, I don't feel the pot should have so much wear on it, considering I use rubber utensils or wooden. I do think it's down to the air fried basket and also the split level grill. So there we have it. My 3 annoyances or pet hates about the Ninja Foodi Max, and I'm guessing the same will be about the normal size smaller Ninja Foodi. If you've got one of those, let me know. Does it annoy you, or is it just me? Am I just being funny? I don't think it's just me. Let me know about my idea of the lid clipping on like a drill, and we'll see if Ninja are watching, and we'll see if they update their next version to take any of these bits into account. Now, that doesn't take away that this is a fantastic piece of kit, and would I recommend one? Definitely. That's why I know at least 5 people that have bought one, including family members. So if you are thinking of getting one, just be aware of these things that I've said and think about them. However, I'd still go out and buy one. Okay, so make sure you head over to our Instagram and Facebook page at One Pizza Too Many for all the in-between action and gossip, and also you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for the notifications of when I release a new video, including my mac and cheese video, which I'm about to make following this one. Until next time, I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.
One pizza too many.